old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make 'em wait, hit it in these big old ski, ayy. Feet on the bed, I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red, ayy.
Yes, the green goddess is back to make this weather tolerable again. Hey everyone, we are back with another hair color tutorial for my rainbow series. It's pretty obvious by now we are showing how I got this beautiful green ombre. Thanks to everyone who has been showing support to my channel, and please keep showing support with a like, comment, and share the video. To anyone new, welcome and subscribe so we can move up to bigger and better things. We need sponsors to have a bigger budget, y'all, okay? Okay, please. The hair I'll be using today is pre-colored blonde kinky straight hair from Boho Exotic Studio. I will be doing a review on this hair, so do not worry. I'll give all the details later. Now, as you can see, the first step I'm going to do is the watercolor method, and the two colors I will be starting off with is from the Kiss collection, Hunter's Green and Limelight. I had already colored the frontal first with Limelight, and I'm just showing how the color came out and how the frontal looks. One thing I definitely love about the frontal is that it comes pre-plucked to perfection. Off topic though, if I wasn't doing the other green, I would have done this color, but next time I guess. Now I'm grabbing my measuring tape to have a guideline where I want the color to stop. Then I used some clips to keep the hair in place. I also start out the hair being freshly washed and out the package because in my opinion, the hair will latch onto the color easier. Pretty much the watercolor method is simple. You use any kind of container to place lukewarm or hot water into and then pour the color into the bowl. I recommend using a whisk to mix, but I only had a metal tail comb, so I'm just using that. Afterwards, you just dip the hair in for a few seconds, bring it up, dump it back in longer, swirl it around, rub your fingers through the hair, just make sure it is saturating the strands. Once I pull it back up, if I see the color is not how I want, then I just add more color into the water. I remove the clips just to help with blending the different colors better. I will even let it sit in the mixture for at least 5 minutes to give me most of the pigment in the hair. However, you can leave it in longer if you want it to be longer, but I just left it in for at least five minutes, excuse me. I believe the watercolor method is a great time saver for applying color. However, I do think the color does get diluted to a certain degree. So if you want the color to be vibrant, you would have to let it sit longer or just color it the regular way. The reason why I'm using both of these colors at the same time is because this is how I got the true green that I wanted. Usually, from most green colors that I had used and seen, it always has somewhat of a blue tint to them, even if the hair was bleached brown or if it's like a blonde color. I'm just letting y'all know, sometimes you may have to mix colors to get what you want because there are so many hues and shades in each and every color. As y'all can see, the color did not stain the lace. I can't say every color brand does not stain the lace, but I know the Kiss collection does not. Now we are just repeating the process with the bundles. Once I had made it into a wig, I noticed it was a bit uneven, so I had to take some of the color out of the bottom row by doing a soap cap off screen. And a soap cap is just soap, bleach, and developer mixed together, and I left it on for at least a good 10 minutes, and it got rid of the dye with no issues. So now I'm going to finish up applying the colors by doing it the regular way. I will be using the same Kiss colors and another Kiss color from their older collection, Forest Green, another green dye from Schwarzkopf in the IGORA collection, Manic Panic Electric Lizard and Ion Lemon, as well as you need your usual tools to apply color. The only thing different from my previous tutorials is that you need a spray bottle filled with water. Right now I'm spraying the hair with water. It will help the color be distributed on the strands easier. It doesn't need to be drenching wet, just damp. To get my dark green color, I'm just mixing the Hunter's Green, Forest Green, and Schwarzkopf Green together, and we'll apply it from the top till we get to the mid shaft. Then I mix a bit of the Manic Panic Electric Lizard and Kiss Limelight together and place it mid shaft and before we get to the ends. Then just Ion Lemon at the ends. Pretty easy steps, honestly. The way I measure how much I want each color to show was by just using a measuring tape. The hair was at least 24 to 25 inches, so the green color was at least 12 to 13 inches, and the other two colors were 6 inches. So I used regular arithmetic, mathematics, you know, gotta have some kind of skill for that. If it's really your passion, would you get the world for that? Okay, let me stop. I started on it at 7, finished at 10. So I left it on overnight and washed it out in the morning by 8, just using cold water and using the usual ion color sealer in TreSemme Moisturizing Conditioner. As you can see, the color is just beautiful and just amazing, especially with this hair texture. So now I'm just going to style it up and use my usual products to slay it out. Don't worry, I'll leave all the products I use in the description box below. It's just the same products I use in most of my hair tutorials. If I use new ones, it will be known, okay? So we are at the straightening part. Y'all gonna notice when I bring out the thinning shears, and a lot of people don't know how to use, I feel like a lot of people do not know how to use thinning shears correctly. So I will be showing a little bit. I kind of just go at the, yes, if you notice, I just snip it twice, because really when you thin it out, you take about almost like pretty much basically 60% of the hair out. So I basically take 2 tracks at a time. No, yes, I do take 2 tracks. I do take 2 tracks or even 1 track at a time, and I just snip twice at the root and twice at the mid shaft, and I only do it in between the middle, not the bottom, and a little bit at the top, because I want to keep the length at the bottom, and I usually just take the bulk out the middle to the top. Okay, that's all I do. That's pretty simple. I seem like a lot of people want to snip all over the place, okay? And that's how I got this amazing color. I'm just happy that I got to do what I envisioned in my head for the longest. Y'all don't understand how long this idea been roaming in my head. Like, really. So please show love to the video with a like and share the video. Comment your thoughts. Like, if you want to see any other colors, let me know. Ideas in general for this channel. If you like the color on me, I mean, I already like the color on me. I mean, it is good if you feel that way too. That's good too. I love y'all too. The review on this hair should be out too. If you want to know my thoughts and as well as see the intro. So hope to see y'all soon. Take care.